I've called you children, I have called you son. What is there to answer if I'm the only one? Morning comes in paradise, morning comes in light. Still I must obey, still I must invite. If there's anything to say, if there's anything to do, if there's any other way, I'll do anything for you. I was dressed in embarrassment, I was dressed in white. If you had a part of me, will you take your time? Even if I come back, even if I die, is there some idea to replace my life, like a father to impress, like a mother's morning dress? If you ever make a mess, I'll do anything for you. I've called you preacher, I've called you son. If you have a father, or if you haven't none, I'll do anything for you. 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 I did everything 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 for you.